Hey, so it's Latrese. I'm here with Captain Mark, and we're on board the 37-foot Lazy Lady. So tell us, how long have you actually been catching fish?
Hello, I'm Captain Mark. I've been doing the fishing and snorkel trips for 37 years. I'm a grown native, so I grew up on the water. So this is all my life work.
Great.
Fishing, lots of fish around. Wahoo, tuna, mahi-mahi, marlin, stuff like that.
So guys, this is a truly unique Caymanian experience. It has a state-of-the-art navigation system, an upper and lower deck controls, and I can't wait for you to see in here. We have a perfect little sitting area here, perfect for lunch, or if you get caught in the rain, you can just relax down here. We have a little kitchenette, a little gas stove on here, a sink. We also have a bathroom on here. I think my favorite part is definitely right here. Who does not love this little area? Isn't that just fun? This is Latrese, and I'm here with Captain Mark on board the Lazy Lady. So book with us today.